The Ethernet serial gateway function in the ProSense PPC5 Advanced Process Controller is a powerful tool for bridging modern Ethernet networks with legacy RS-485 serial devices. Available exclusively on PPC-5102 and 1102 models, this feature turns the controller into a transparent protocol converter. A host computer, PLC, or other Modbus TCP master connects via Ethernet and can read from or write to up to 31 Modbus RTU compatible serial devices wired to the PPC5's RS-485 terminals. The PPC5 handles the conversion. Modbus TCP requests from the host are translated to Modbus RTU over RS-485, sent to the target device, and the responses are relayed back. Your host treats these serial devices as native Ethernet nodes, no extra hardware needed. Key benefits include simplified system architecture, extended reach over Ethernet, and seamless integration of existing RS-485 equipment into networked control systems. Setup is straightforward. Wire serial devices to the PPC5's RS-485 terminals in a 2-wire multi-drop configuration. Follow the manual's wiring guidelines for termination, biasing, and shielding. Maximum distance is 1,200 meters with up to 31 devices. Match communication settings on both sides. Access the settings menu by holding the parameter and left arrow buttons for 2 seconds. For the gateway controller, use the Ethernet settings group. Baud rate 9600, 19.2, or 38.4. Parity, none, even, or odd. For even quicker data access from frequently polled devices, enable the high-speed response function, which caches values from up to 7 PPC5 Modbus slaves for low-latency replies. Always update Ethernet settings, set ESW to 1 or power cycle. The changes take about 20 seconds. All serial devices that will act as Modbus slaves to the gateway must have their baud rate and parity parameters set to match, and must have their data bits set to 8 and stop bits set to 1. To set up a PPC5 as a Modbus slave in a network like this, access the R485 menu. Make sure Modbus RTU is selected in the protocol selection parameter. Set the other parameters as we've just outlined. Assign unique addresses to each serial device, 02 through 99. Do not use address 01. It's reserved and can cause conflicts. On the host, send Modbus TCP commands using function codes like 03, read holding registers, or 16, write multiple registers. Set the unit ID in the MBAP header to match the target serial device's address. The gateway routes the request automatically. Refer to Chapter 21 of the PPC5 user manual for wiring diagrams, full parameter tables, and examples. With this setup, you get reliable centralized control over mixed protocol devices. To learn more about the ProSense PPC5 and all of our process control devices, visit AutomationDirect.com. Click here to see other process control videos. Click here to explore our entire process control line at our web store. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date on all new products and developments at Automation Direct. Automation Direct, the #1 value in automation.